Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's Simon here at Vans today in Worcester. I'm here to give you a video walk around of this Ford Transit Custom 350 in the L2H3 format. Ex-utilities van, one keeper from new. It has covered 88,000 miles. It has, we've got a full maintenance print with the vehicle, and it has just had the wet belt replaced at 86,000 miles. Although interesting enough, it did have a new engine fitted in 2022. So nice history with it, gotta say. It's superbly kitted out in the back, and there's going to be people out there that's going to know an awful lot more about how these things work than me, a measly van dealer from Worcester. But we'll try and run you through everything so you get an idea of what this van is all about. Now, for those of you that haven't seen any of our videos before, the purpose of the video is to give you a warts and all video walk around of the van so you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying, and then you can make that informed decision whether this is the vehicle for you or not. Now, I think we're videoing in one of the hottest days of the year. We'll be battling the sunshine and the shadows, but I'll try and do my best for you, and we'll take it from there, shall we? So normally we'd show you the roof. Obviously I'm not 12 foot tall, so for starters, you've got your reverse camera on the back there. You have your LED flashing light on the driver's side rear, and you have another LED flashing amber light on the passenger side front of the roof up there as well. Looking at your nose cone up on the roof there, that's all looking pretty good indeed. No damage, no real stone chips or rust or anything like that. Coming down onto the windscreen, and the windscreen is in good all-round condition. There are no major stone chips or cracks or anything like that that's going to cause us grief when it comes to MOT time, of which we will be putting a fresh 12 months on this for you before it goes out the door. Coming down onto the bonnet, and again in overall very neat, tidy condition. No signs of any kind of excessive stone chipping or anything. We have a little one there, we'll get it touched in for you. But overall, I would say in above average condition. Down to your front grills and your front bumpers, and again, overall, very neat and tidy. Obviously, this is a 2-litre TDCi with the Euro 6 engine, so it is an AdBlue engine. If you want to go into any of the ULEZ zones, then you're all looking fine and dandy with this one. Passenger side headlamp unit, that's all looking in good order, and your passenger side front bumper corner. Now, it does have some scuffing. I have photographed it and added that to the advert. It's nothing major, it's there. We'll point it out to you so you can make your own mind up. Looking down the side profile, and pretty straight. There is a mark on the sliding door, which I'll show you when we get round to that side of the van, but overall pretty tidy. Got your normal Ford build quality going on here. Every Transit 350 has it. Don't worry about it. But look down the side profile, and as I say, as you can see, everything's looking pretty good. Around to the driver's side, your driver's side front headlamp unit is in overall good condition as well. And then your driver's side front bumper corner, again, overall neat and tidy as well. Have a look down the side profile of the van from this angle, and again, you can see pretty straight and tidy. Again, another little mark on the mid quarter panel. I'll point it out to you as and when we get round to there. Your driver's side front wing, all in good order. Yes, you've got your chapter 8 stripe going down the side of the vehicle, keep you nice and legal. Yes, you have your tyre pressures on every arch, and there is your driver's side front factory steel wheel. Pretty good condition actually. The steels, they're not in bad order. Tyre tread depth, all looking pretty good for you as well. Having a look in your arches, and overall not too bad for a workhorse, it's got to be said. Driver's side mirror case with integrated indicator, all in good condition. Your upper and lower mirrors are in good order, and then your driver's side, the door glass is fine. Okay, I've just got it down at the moment. I'm not trying to hide anything. Driver's side door alignment to front wing and rear quarter, all looking good as well. The keen-eyed of you will notice it has got the driver's side door lock upgrade, so that's additional security over your standard lock. Door handles looking good. And then your door edges, will give you a close-up of them. Overall, pretty neat and tidy. Now, we have a minor little ding just down there. I don't know whether you can see it. It's not a big deal, but it's there. There's a couple of other areas for the dent man to have a look at, so I'll see what he can do with that one for you. Mid-quarter, again, overall, pretty tidy. Now, obviously, you can see it does have some minor little damage there, okay? We'll get the dent man on it, get the vast majority of the dent out, and then touch in the rest of it for you, okay? Getting down low, check out those lower sills, all of your side plastic trims, those are all in good condition as well. Driver's side, rear quarter, overall not in too bad order. We do have just a little bit of rust, I suppose, there. Not a big deal, you can hardly see it, but I'll point it out to you. Driver's side, rear quarter, again, overall good. Driver's side, rear factory steel wheel. We have tyre. Let's just show you the tyre walls. Forgot to do that on the front tyre, but all looking good. Arches, overall good as well. And tyre tread depth, all looking pretty good. Where we are with tyre tread depth, anything less than 3mm, we will replace for you, okay? Legal limit 1.6. So there's your side view of the vehicle. It looks respectable, doesn't it? To the driver's side rear. So rear quarter parts, plastic trims, additional rear reflector there for you as well. Rear light unit, that's looking good. Have a look down the side profile from this angle, and you can see there's a nice reflection to the paintwork. We have mopped and polished it, so the vehicle comes up and presents very nicely indeed. To the rear, and now we're starting to get to the workhorse element of it. So obviously they are full height rear doors, barn doors, on a 50-50 split. As I've already mentioned, you have a camera and high level brake light up there. There is a little bit of a ding up there on the back, not a lot I can do about that. Your rear door, driver's side, overall not too bad. A couple of minor touch-ins, we'll get those sorted out for you, but overall looking pretty good. Door handles good, alignment of your rear doors also looking good as well, and then your passenger side rear door, overall pretty tidy. Is there a little ding here? There is. Has it slightly scuffed, or something has scuffed your chapter 8 on the back? It has, but overall not too bad. Now obviously it does have this whole setup fitted to it here, so you've got this massive T-step fitted to the back of it. Look, I mean, if you're fussed, I'll go over it with some yellow Hammerite paint if you want it looking smart, but that's about as far as I think we'd go on the refurb. It's done a job, hasn't it, basically. And then you've got all of your external bits and pieces going on for the workhorse element of the vehicle, which I'll try and list on the advert for you, okay? Opening up the van. And first of all, let's do the internal rear doors. A couple of coat hangers on there on each door, but overall pretty neat and tidy. They're lined, it's done a job. Entry step has got a little bit of wear and tear on it. Again, not a massive big deal. We can go over it with some white Hammerite if it bothered you. I've turned all the LED lights off in here at the moment, but as you can see, you've got additional LED lights in the vehicle. You've got this whole setup going on here. Now I'm not going to try and pretend I know what the hell is going on there, but I believe it's got a compressor or something or other on board. I'll do a little bit of homework and I'll update the advert for you. Now obviously I'll get people coming out, oh, you should know what's going on with the van. Well, I don't. Simple as that. Do know those coat hooks though. Obviously additional storage there. I think you can slide a ladder along there, can't you? And then that'll keep it inside the van for you. Got this lovely shelving setup going on here for you as well. We have individually taken out every one of these plastic containers, cleaned them and put them back in for you, okay? G101s, bang them back in, and look at the shelving, all in really nice and tidy condition. Storage behind here as well. TiVo vehicle racking systems. So just storage boxes. You've got loads and loads of storage boxes up there for you as well. Shelf up there, all nice and clean. There you go, just to prove to you the LED lights do work. I've just turned them off, because if I don't turn them off now, we'll leave them on, battery will go flat. Got a microwave, there you go. And we have your paper roll holder, your hand cream, sanitizer, protective cream, etc, etc, and your little hand washing basin. Happy days. There we go. Clever little ideas like this here, which will obviously go into that slot and hold your door open in high winds. So yeah, passenger side. So passenger side, corner parts, overall neat and tidy. Rear light units neat and tidy. Reflector, additional reflector, all looking good. Looking down the passenger side again, overall pretty damn good. Obviously these are pretty, they're workhorses, aren't they, ultimately, at the end of the day. Passenger side, rear quarter, overall pretty good. Right, we've got a few minor little marks. We'll go around there with a Ford frozen white touch-up stick and do those for you. There's a minor little dent there at the moment. It's not a biggie, but if we're getting the dent man in to have a look at it on some other respects, we'll get him to sort that out for you. Passenger side, factory steel wheel, all in pretty good order. Your tyre, as you can see, loads of tyre tread depth. Your sliding door on this side, again, overall pretty good. There is a mark, there we go. Okay, dent man on it, touch it in, that's what we'll be doing to it. A little bit of plastic trim just down here. As you can see, it's lost a couple of the clips, so we'll get some ordered up from Ford and re-secure that for you. Your plastic trim's going down the outside there though, overall nice and tidy. Passenger side door, all looking pretty good. Door handles are looking good. Mirror units, upper and lower, those are good. Integrated indicators good. Passenger side front wing, overall good. Passenger side front factory steel wheel. Tyre, all pretty good as well. Tyre wall, a little bit of wear from rubbing up against curbs, but overall not too bad. And then sliding door this side, opens up, holds into place as you would expect. Your door shuts are clean and tidy. Your sliding door rubber is all present and correct as well. Handy little work surfaces, loads of storage. There's your inverter in there as well. We've got a leisure battery underneath your passenger seat. And here's just another viewpoint of everything that I've just showed you when I walked through inside earlier. Quite a bit of a touch in there, we'll sort that out for you. Passenger side door card, again, all pretty neat and tidy. Door bins are clean and tidy, door handles are good. Your door shuts are tidy as well. Entry sills and plastics, you've got a little bit of wear there. Plastics are all good. Behind here you have your diesel fuel filler and then your AdBlue filler. Rubber flooring inside, actually pretty good condition, gotta say. Glove box, book packs in there, CPs in there, passenger airbag. Yep, they have passenger airbags, and you've got your passenger airbag delete switch as well. Cup holders galore, because you're thirsty, you transit drivers are. Top of the dash, as you can see, those are neat and tidy as well. You do have additional LED lighting in the front there. Your passenger side seat trim is in nice tidy condition as well. If we flip it open, flip it up that way, and there you can see all of your electrics and your auxiliary battery. Everything has been cleaned properly under there for you as well. Middle seat, again, neat and tidy. Cup holders, happy days. That will flip open for you as well, should you wish. Go around to the driver's side, and driver's side door card, again, neat and tidy. Central locking, electric windows, door shuts tidy as well. A little bit of wear there as per the other side. Plastic's not in bad order. Driver's side floor mats all in pretty good order as well. A little bit of wear to the seat there, okay? Now we can stitch it. We can put a fresh panel in there, or we can sell you a nice set of heavy duty waterproof seat covers, which I think is probably what you want. And we can also supply you with a set of decent rubber mats that will protect your investment as well. Pedal rubbers are good. PTO control for your alternator and compressor is here. I've got to be honest, you've got no idea how that works. Side light, main light, rear fog light. Yes, I will do a bit of homework so I can run you through it all, okay? I can hear people now. Oh, the keyboard warriors. Oh, it's because you're selling something, you don't know how it works. Well, believe it or not, I don't know how the whole of the van industry works. But I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. Stereo. Can you see the comments that I get? The comments I get on YouTube. Jesus. Right, you've got a stereo. It's got Bluetooth telephone. I'm not sure whether it's Bluetooth music as well. I think it might be, but don't quote me on that, okay? Radio wise, we've got AM, FM and AM. All right, FM and AM, that's all you need. Hazard warning lights in the centre there, your blower controls, etc. there, handy little storage for paperwork there. 6-speed manual gearbox, reverse gear all the way to the left and forwards. Yes, you can silence your reverse gear alarm. Operate air drive equipment in 5th gear only. Yeah. Reverse camera, and then you have your control board up here. Currently has a 62 mile/h speed limiter on it. Now, we may be able to take your 62 mile/h speed limiter off. Should you wish, speak to us and we'll talk you through that. I think that's a weight thingamajig. There's no power to it at the moment, so I'm not 100% sure that works. If we can get it working, happy days. If we can't, we won't. 88,493 miles, instrument binnacles clean and tidy, no excessive dust, scratched, etc, etc. Let me fire it up, because you're probably looking at it going, oh, got an engine management light on. No, I just turned the ignition on and didn't fire it up. So there we go, fired it up. Only lights we've got on is to tell me I've got a door open and handbrakes on and I haven't got my seatbelt on. Steering wheel itself, overall pretty tidy condition. As you can see, elements of wear and tear on it, but overall it's pretty good. Bit of multi-function for computer systems and volume controls and telephones and all of that. But in the cab, I've got to say, for a workhorse, she's a beaut. And that, my friends, is about it. So really, the video is about the condition of the van, okay? And I would say that is in overall pretty tidy condition. Now, there are 50 to 60 photos of the van on our website. Our website is vanstoday.com. We are Vans Today Worcester, based in the centre of the country, offering you nationwide delivery, part exchange and finance. If you're worried about who you're buying off, check out our reputation online. We have reviews, most importantly on Google, but we have a presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, so like and subscribe. 18 minutes of your life, you never get it back. Hopefully it's been of some use. Ciao for now.